Joy to the world, the Lord is come.
Hey guys, welcome to Restless Outdoors. We're back in the third installment of the 12 days of backpacking tips, a series that has taken off beyond my expectations. Now, it has come to my attention that there are a few of you guys that maybe, just maybe, think that these tips are a little bit too obvious. And you know what? I underestimated you guys. I didn't think that you guys were this advanced as backpackers. So today we are here in the Restless One kitchen and we're gonna show you guys how to dehydrate like a pro. And stay tuned to the end for an extra pro tip. Exactly guys, it's like a stocking stuffer just for you. Anyways guys, I appreciate you watching as always. See you later.
And floods, rock hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat, repeat the sounding joy. No more let sins and sorrows grow, no thorns infest the ground. He comes to make his blessings flow, for as the curse is found, for as the curse is found, for as the curse is found.